Okay, the other day I saw this page and they sell an official BTS and I'm going to announce it. I have BD21, BTS, and I got B's because but I don't know it is a really good quality. Let's open it. They even have the logo. I got V because I love my bias is V. So I'm going to open this. I'm just going to open this. Oh my god, I can't even look at this. Look at this V. But the quality is not that big, but I'm enjoying it. Look at this. I'm in a coffee shop, so I couldn't make an unboxing quickly. I couldn't wait to open it, so I'm doing quickly. It's so perfect. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Is it on focus? Yes. Okay, so let's move on to BT21. In my house it's very very loud. I couldn't make an unboxing. Okay. Okay, I have BT21 and this one Tata, Jungkook, RJ, Ma, and Chimmy. There we go. Got Koya and Shuki. Yeah, I think it's Shuki. The logo sign. And I'm going to decorate in the iPhone at the back. I don't really like it, but I think it will be good once I put it on the iPhone. Oh my god, this is not good. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Okay. Satisfied. I got more of the BT21. I got, yeah, a lot of like family. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Let's open it up. Sorry for my noise cancellation. I couldn't do unboxing at my home. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, anyway, I'm satisfied. Unboxing. So see you later. Bye. Bye.